Hmm. So I just now I came back. I went to my town Chembur, and I went to a therapist. Probably I am not happy what he said. I thought it will loosen up in one session. He said I anyway there will be more sessions. I don't know why he said that. I guess this guy must not be a good therapist. Anyways, it's a personal matter. And what do you call it? I went there, I went to the east, went to the west, and I met no one there because this is not the timing we meet. Noon is not the timing. Noon we all are sleeping. We all Batmans must be sleeping, and we don't go out in the sun. We meet each other at night. So I didn't see anyone. I didn't. One thing I did was what I did. I had some carbs. I went around the Diamond Garden. Then near that shop, I had a what do you call it? A bun. The suspects were around me. And what do you call it? That's it. Went to my house, the West house, had a shower, and I forgot my soap case there. Fuck. So, mm, this scam has made me forget how to take care of myself. Before this, I used to take too much care of myself. The therapist which she said, I felt very bad. I'm not happy with that therapist. What he said. So I went near the lot of no. I rotated the place. The east, and I had a snack over there, a bun. That's it. Actually, I am working on carbs. I have to shred till bones. Actually, I shouldn't have said this. So, mm, so that's it. A snack, a therapy, and a shopping. I went to the shopping as well. And, went for shopping. I don't know. Uh, I kind of feel bad now because of the therapy. Actually, it's not related to scam or anything, but I kind of feel bad now. It's a feeling. I shouldn't share this actually. So, uh, I had a time there. I had 2 3 teas and a bun. That's it. And I met no one because at night we meet. And one more sad news. This year no Chembur Fest. 2025 no Chembur Fest. 2024 I was busy in fight and scam thing. 2025 no Chembur Fest. And 2023 was there. It was rocking, but I didn't go. I was again working on this thing, catching this racket. So that's the saddest news. So this year no fest. And I saw what do you call it? Mask on the head and mask on the face as well. A suspect's mask on the head and a mask on the what do you call it? Below the nose as well. Those were suspects. Achha. Filming me. What? Bun. So what do you want me to have? That roll? And bun my... No, I don't want to say that. So... what nonsense is this? They want to know my diet plan. I should write it. Look, in the morning I hit on some... a few calories. and few carbs. Then noon, only carbs and some protein as if a cheese. And after that, tea. Then at night, some meal which home cooked meal, not outdoor meal. I don't want at night. I don't like outdoor meals. That's it. Next time you want to, what do you call it? Want to know my diet? So what do you call it? Ask me directly, huh? Ask me directly. You don't have to film that what I eat and what I do, my diet. So I had some bun and butter in noon, and morning I had little bit what do you call it? A normal snack, healthy snack I had. I don't know what must be in there, but what ingredient, what do you call it? What useful stuff is in that, was that in that food? I don't know, but if next time if you want to know my diet, ask me directly. You don't have to film me. It's carbs. I have to again. I have to see, open up. I have to shred till bones, Baba. No? So I should. That's why I am so sad. What that therapist said. I thought it will happen in one day, but it didn't. So I had some goals regarding that. The That's why I'm only on carbs. Anyways, it's my personal thing, not yours. And Chembur Fest is not this year. The more saddest thing.